My daily budget on PPC is $30. Would you recommend to start with broad match campaign and see which keyword is working and increase bid? What I would recommend, broad match could work, but really important, first off, calculate how much does it cost you, the one keyword that is mostly highest relevant to your product, that is not just the one word, but at least has 2 to 3 words inside. Once that you see that and know that, you would see how much the $30 is going to be enough for, right? So imagine it this way. If it is one keyword in broad search, it's going to trigger way many more terms. So even if it would cost you $2, not $3, right? In exact match, maybe it's $3 because usually exact match costs higher. What you would end up with is you generated now data for yourself that you understand it cost me $2 broad match, but the likelihood that it's going to convert is going to be maybe lower than my exact match. In exact match, people who are looking for your product, they are going to find exactly your product. So that is the strategy that I would do rather than checking out which match type. First off, check out what is the CPC for your most relevant top 5 keywords, then see what is the CPC for the one keyword that is most relevant that could afford that $30 budget. But honestly, what I would do here, if I were you, now I don't know exactly what is going on, what is your CPC and so on. What I would still do, I would create the 2 campaigns. I would also create an automatic targeting campaigns that has very, very low bids, like 20 cents bid, and accumulate some more data. What you want to know is, what does Amazon sees whenever I'm showcasing my product? Amazon is really good at understanding what your product is or placing your product exactly to whatever someone would look for. So I would have at least like one campaign that is automatic match campaign, allocated like budget is $10, and maybe the rest of $20 see the keyword, how it's going to perform.